large elevators at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas, and they're still original.
Hopefully they never get modernized.
Yeah, because this is the only original elevator left in this entire facility.
Yeah, everything else is modded.
Oh, I'm so glad I finally get a take on this one. I remember riding this elevator as a child. Big bump. Oh, we gotta hear this motor. Four. Beautiful. Alright, what's gonna happen is I like to switch elevator cars at one for the other one, and we'll end the video straight back at the second floor.
Okay.
We got Lee, the elevator geek. What do you think of that motor?
It's great. Very nice motor.
I don't know if any of you know this, but I actually used to ride this elevator when I was a kid, like way long time ago.
Cool.
Nice.
Yep, you see, this is actually one of my childhood elevators. Can you even believe that?
That's awesome.
Yeah, I actually have a video of this elevator like way back in 2009. You can see the original. You can see the original elevator lobby before it got renovated.
I see.
I filmed this thing back. Go and send it up.
2, you said?
Yeah, I was gonna switch elevator cars
Okay.
here. I'll just send it to wherever, so that way we can get it quick enough. All that's been replaced.
I see.
I'm not gonna do solid takes on this because I think I had a good take on it when I filmed these back in early 2015,
I see.
and it takes a long while to close.
It does. Okay, there it goes.
There it goes. I might probably cut out the wait times depending on how long it's going to take.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm probably going to do.
It's pretty busy today.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone's probably coming here to go to the beach because it's spring break.
I can totally agree.
Yeah, they're probably going to like Corpus and Galveston and Harlingen, probably.
I'll probably come back like
Texas and Florida are like the premier spots for vacation
Oh.
for spring break.
Oh yeah. I'd love to go to a Texas beach one day. I've only ever been to Galveston, but that was a while back.
I heard Corpus Christi.
I've never been. I really want to go there. Never been to Corpus. Okay, we're here.
the floor's already lit.
You can hear the other one running.
Let's end it at 2.
Okay.
Let's directly end it at 2 because after this elevator, we're gonna go eat, like you said.
Yeah. The restaurant closes at 10:30, so we gotta go soon.
Yeah. This will probably be the last elevator here, but it's good to end with this original elevator, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That 4 button is still lit for some reason.
I see.
Some places just have it lit all the time. I've seen one somewhere